In today's video, I will walk you through how to use drag and drop trading on Metatrader 5. The first thing you need to do is open Metatrader 5. After the platform opens, you'll need to display a chart. If you're currently on the quotes page, choose any instrument from the list. Once you've selected the instrument, click on Chart to open it. After the chart loads, you're ready to use the drag and drop trading feature. Look toward the top of the chart. On the left-hand side, you'll see a small trading symbol. Click on that symbol. As soon as you click it, a trading panel will appear on the chart. By default, you'll notice that a sell limit order has been selected. The order line can be moved around the chart by dragging it to the price level where you want to place the order. If you don't want to use a sell limit order, you can change the order type before placing it. Open the available order options. From there, you can choose a buy limit, buy stop, sell stop, or another available order type. For this example, select sell limit. Once sell limit is selected, drag the order line to the exact price where you want the pending order to be placed. After positioning the order, the next step is to add a stop loss. Click on Stop Loss. A stop loss line will appear on the chart. Drag the stop loss line until it's positioned at the level you want. If you also want to add a take profit level, locate the take profit option. A take profit line will appear on the chart. Drag the take profit line to the price level where you want it to be. At this stage, your pending order, stop loss, and take profit have all been positioned directly on the chart using the drag and drop controls. Take a moment to make sure each line is where you want it before placing the order. When you're satisfied with the positions, click the arrow shown on the trading panel. This will move you to the final confirmation step. From there, click Place Sell Limit. Your sell limit order will then be placed using the order position, stop loss, and take profit levels you've already set on the chart. Whenever you want to place another drag and drop order, simply open a chart, click the trading symbol, choose the order type you want, drag the order, stop loss, and take profit into position. Then click the arrow and place the order. That's all there is to using drag and drop trading on Metatrader 5. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and thank you for watching.